3.1 kasafidie so eno ewa santimantem kropo kumasimo sunyane eya Sompa 98.9 ena enkranza ye no obuno epoye mantemo eno so ye Sompa 90.7 ye nyina ya ka bomu se ye frukro mu ma ena enna no pe ye fua no nsia blem kase bo eye November bo so me de to so duba akode no ye de eba besomo eneme day eni mu nsem bia wobetie eni se ye kase ya esanse o meyi ye kwato bata ntokwa bia betuatua mu nte no anam so mampanyi ede dwumade bia bebiem ede akrewo
Enrada kwamfo anocha ba yar sabia krobia sante kotoko hene santime wuro nyam kese woko hode enti enwoko
waya campaign fo so ye ma ene ye nuanum kuma ya wokotwere BC nsotwe no ehun sunsan so no wokire se wagye na so asem de akire
prosi sahene oribonyafo Dr. Ekufu Dampare ne se bia wode eto Canada hye anim no enya asem ketwa yenkoni enkotie bi
ebusia esemi ya afoforo bi eka ho bi na no pay enuanu mienu ohine ire mame ekua yeboa esia mame ni menu abema
o se yaw aboaji oforisu
ya transe ye dia no ba begu ho asew ede ama na ya kai se ensem no edo so na ye sha se ede afiri yankasa ye de mu nte no ye bo awramu ewo mampanyi na adodan kwa Ekufu ado na kache na opanyi ekire se wode nani kwatwa wisa na hwesa ntemo aye sen dadako na dondo nyina kosi ehun sampa ye court bata Supreme Court no eya dia sabre ye kase no eya dan hyehyeye ene mra ewo ho enipa dodo ye wo se woka temuafo panyi pa ho se be ya wonum dwumedie ne besipi na esita na so wo kire mu a esan mpanyifo binumu a wonom ebra so mo ko ahomegye mu ene ebinumu etete saa ne nte no andam so ama sabre kase tokro bi aba bede da ho ya eno entimi muamu adwuma no NCP ensita na eno ana mampanyi ekiremu a eduebu a yebo bi eponim donte no wagina so atrekrata tentente wa abra panyifo ahodo emma no adwenso esuaye eho pemasi bre ya wono so de akotom na hyebadwafo anim sa wonye sebe ya atemuafo miensa ya wonom ewo appeal court ya ebi any justice Anthony Coffee justice ya Asaridako any justice Ejefrempon sa wonom hwe na wonom enwo muntum sebe ya wobetimi akwa Supreme Court dwumedie no ho ama dwumedie no afa ne ntampa ede efra na bra krata no ekodru mu ewo mra hyebadwam no first deputy speaker of parliament ye Rajo Wise so no kro ya wode wani chemu asante bekwa mra hyebadwe madwam obi a wogina ho ede ma wonom a wono na etua wo manim ewo ho woje krata no akenkan ye sede na emunsem esitie no enkotie bimra
I instructed the Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Mr. Godfred Yeboadame, of my intention to appoint to the Supreme Court, subject to the satisfactory conclusion of the processes set out in Article 1442 of the Constitution, the following persons. 1. Justice Henry Anthony Coffee, Justice of Appeal. 2. Justice Yao Asaridako, Justice of Appeal. And 3. Justice Richard Ejefrempong, Justice of Appeal. On 27 July 2023, the Judicial Council advised me by letter under the hand of the Council's chairperson, Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Esabasa Kitokonu, of the suitability of my nominations of these persons for appointment to the Supreme Court. Upon receipt of the Judicial Council's advice and in accordance with my duty under Article 1442, I consulted with the Council of State by submitting the names and curricula vitae of the nominees for appointment to the court. I instructed
Ebusianfo nipa ye tene ken eye Rajo Wise asante bekwa mra hyebadwane na enu adana do dan kwa Ekufu ado ne krata ya wo twere ye ede kwama mra hyebadwafo no wo gye ya na wo kenken mu na kyese temuafo panyi pa ye ne wote adwa so ewo ye Supreme Court no ma me Gertrude to kono wo se nipa bes edunum na eka ne ho na so no esan se bi ko ma ho megie mu nte no aka edumiensa na eka ne ho a wo kire se NCP incident no wajira ya mamra ya wo kire no efia ya afia pem ahenkro aduokro mienu eye article 144 clause 2 no so ama wayi enipa miensa wayi a wo boboa se be ya dwumadi ahodo ye ekoso ewo ye Supreme Court no ebetimi agira ne naso ye
Enrada Krobia Sante Kotokohini Nyam Kese Okopiem ewo Konfonochi Abayar Sabia na ni nyina ene se wo hwe se de be ya Abayar Sabia ni nyina begyina so na betumi agyina so de a na ewo se edan a oyarefo ekodemu no yesi bi ka ho na eye referral edema adehye wo mamu nyina na $10 million rehabilitation fund wa Enrada wodi na nimonyam kopie asem na wo pa ho entuma no abra Konfonochi Abayar Sabia ye pa $10 million no entuma no Krobia Sante Kotokohini Nyam Kese na futu a wode koma adehye wo asantemam ha sei eno danadi Sompa FM
ka chance na na se de adwuma edi ahyem nsa no ehia omwa ne moment se me wo mu no doso so ode tu menim nam se ampa mia mewia me ho abehwe metete mewia me ho abehwe emergency ayi wo kakra nante ho na dwubia hwe se de ozitie so me ka asma jesem ko hwe ansa na mbia ya sem so so me ba wa na dwube dumienu bi benante ya me ba bempre no so nam se to kai nam se me hunu bibi sa no se block na dia sekra so anso man kan che nam se wi an ho ba anso benante anso ka so na me hunu asema edai so konfo anoche de to no wa anyare da na konfo anoche ayare so obri konfo wa anyare da nti die na de ato no de wo yare so me ka che ne se kwa bi e be fa so a me no manfo e behwe ya ye aboa ma ye no o se ye so ya sabe si ampasi si no kuma se so na so wo che Ghana mu o fa dunsia na mood dumie no de ayarfo ewo munyina ha me eba so ufa enemokasa emo regency emu dumie no de aha eba ha so nanso me hwe ye no eye nimguase me ye nyinara so oti abonte ahun no so na me de me kan san kam pese kam ye nyina nante mu kakra na ehunu de wo ho ansa na se beka bibia yaka so ye ti ha ye hunu se de sitie edan ya papa ye nso nipa demu na enyu gu so waya nambo ne nso na jato mo be hye so that day na blocks in emergency one I see no fufure kwa no so saa na te so na me no nyina edabi asamba ha na ede beba so wo ma dika ba ehunu emu atete yesu yeti asisi asi yare de onyare dan no na yare ya so doctor say wo hwia mfidie kura de be aduma kura ni nyina anya enso so mu ehwe so aban baba basra for obem brodi osi e woko kwame nkroma ko aban edan desia so me no na atoye so anya politics assembly anya me no nyina resi ehwe kwan ya de be ya mena yeye so ya ba ya so amena yeye so na osi e ya so
Wabra Enrada Krobia Sante Kotokohini wo kasa no ene wo kansempa na wo so wono kura wo wi an ho kohweye se atetenia bena asopiti efamu na ye nyina ye nsom woni nipa de a ye mra ne ye nyina mesom ne mpia ema ne kosoro na konfo no cha bayar sabia no emfa ne tampefra efri se 16 regions no uchemu a be dumienu ene teso emfa so na ko ya ka koka se eyo mamunu nyina ene tes okonfo no che abayar sabia no eso emfa so na wode na ase ema MPs ana say one na why wadwene say obeyi bi aboama abanyar sabia atumi akonkan no afutu abode ma mrahye bedwafo ewo Asante region nyina ne say womwa na aban edan a wagya ato na jeje mu no wɔhwɛ ɛma ne nyina ɛnkɔnkan ne ntumi esisi na ɛmoa ɛne mfasoɔ ntumi ɛnte ɛmfɛmfiri so na empo kura no sɛ wato asanteman agyegyeem na wɔhwɛ na wɔnya na wɔkɔ akɔyɛ regions aka no ɛno ɛna ɔde afutuo ɛkɔma mmarahyɛ bedwafo a ɛwɔ asanteman mu sɛ wɔntwa wani mmara mɛhwɛ efiri sɛ osiakyi ɛnyɛ da ɛhɔ na ɔtafrɛ
Sompa FM sɛ ka yɛ 1.2 million mɛfa no ma yɛ so ade aso nam sɛ medase so ɛnura no anam nana baako nso mɛ frɛ me wantimi ama wɔ hɔ ɔsenana yɛaka kyerɛ me ntimi nso mɛba na mabɛhwɛ na mɛso mafa block baako no ma yɛ so ɛna afei asisi ka no 1.2 million wɔ sɛ wɔnti menya nam de ayɛ so ɛno nti nipa ni bi afiti ase ɛkyerɛ dɔ wowu nya $1 million no wobɛnya 100 cedis fama me so yɛka no nyinaa bɔ mu yɛbɛnya Ghana yɛbɛnya sɛ sika no ayɛ so enti wo 150 no mɛgye na deɛ ɔwɔ kɛseɛ nso wobɛsie nso magye aka so na afei yɛ nyinaa yɛahwɛ yɛayɛ amena yɛ
ɛno akyerɛ ɛna wɔn a wɔtwa hyia hɔ pepa wanya so be sika bi e dia boa no so omo so kasai
we dey new regional minister Meka Simon Osemen Sadie and also your 50,000 na MMDCs no otumfo ebeba eno wonyina beba na yedi wo so di no aba edamas
enye kia bi asem enye kan ha say the regional minister kan e no MMDCs no yedi no ebeba we dey confanochi isi mwase eye metropolitan area so me challenge the regional minister to me 20,000 at the twice
Ashanti Caucus, apart from the caucus, as individual MPs, we did say I can contribution.
And rather $10 million Santene Ekopa Hontuma. Konfo anochi aban yaresabia se de be ya ayaresabia no be gigina so no wona wo yi bi ma ye ene na yikotie ye
afeye to nsem no ne de ne akire mo e wo abibre ato ye fem bedwa ya nso hwetwere ho nsem da won mabem mekire West Africa Examination Council no na afi we se BC nso hwe ne twere no koso na ebra so sempanyifo no hwe na wotimi eje mo mansuaso no eba na no na waye kimpanyifo de abeto dwa se BC nso hwetwere eye aban suku ahodo ne ankrankra de ne nyina no wanum etimi ede ho nsuaso no ababonten ya wode wani kire mu e wo mensina ahodo Krobatan ni kropon ahodo ye no ewo omaiga na mu asen mu ampanyifo ya wonum tuatua nwomasua no no wagegemo ede ama wonum na no na wonum ede betaito se ewo mu se sunsuaso na babonten ya wode ho resource no e ma ampanyifo de na so no enkrata bes empem aduonu mienu ahanu aduoson ya eye enkwada wokotwere nsɔhwe ni bidia no ya de a wonum so de dapono atoso ne nyina no ene se wo ye hwehwemu ede afa sankrata we say emu esan se wo susu se wo hwehwemu bi a wo ye na danadi se apo ene kekaye bi wo ho a enkwada no ede rewremu no te no wo gemu sese enye na so ne nyina mu no wo behwe se hwehwemu na chine de sefata no se wotimi eja ne de mu ede ma no no watimi aya ne sa de woni amansa digita ho ede ma West African Examination Council eye Owura John Kapi wone ensentrefo ebonkomo ema wada ensemochi ede ma yense.
In the course of marking, our examiners detected that there was collusion among some of the candidates and some copying as well. And so once this report reached us, we have set up our committee, and the committee is reviewing the reports of the examiners, and if appropriate, will invite the candidates to come and defend themselves, after which we may cancel or release their results. So we started a preliminary investigation, which is what our staff would do by way of going through the reports of the examiners to ensure that indeed the reports they are sending to us are infractions as far as our rules are concerned. And then based on that, the candidates will be invited to come and, defend themselves or answer questions regarding whatever has been observed. With BEC, it covers a very vast area across the country. And so our monitors may be in one place for one day, but they'll have to move on to another place because we can't be at every center at the same time. And so it is possible that some of these may have escaped our monitors who were in the field.
Wayek penyipa ya wono ene amansa edinkita ho yera John Kapi na ochese ohwa nkwada no bibubo apo na esanse wono ma moye monitoring no wo mo entimi enhwe ne nyina mu nsintin kwada no hwe wonom de apo bi fifa ase de wura na so ne nyina mo no wo be ya hwehwemu awie esipo wie a na obi e wasa wato nsafre ne kwada no ema wotimi ebeyi wo mo ho ano no obeye ne sa wes hefata se wo jemu ma no wo jemu diamanta se ne ma nko yesu so a na eno ano na kire se BC nsore no e wasa wosa ekotwere mbiem
se ye ka bambo adwumakuo e wo mankanam ha wo biada de ne sa e be kira posifo ensa so na se de Dr. George Akufu Dampare wose no ono ana yesahene ema prosi adwumakuo no na asem abo ka nyina ne se ye ka prosi adwuma no a enka ne prosi no ene prosi na so ye dem eno ti wo manfo de onsa etre ne man so ene ya wo bo adwuma papa na wodansem wo nyina di wo abra oil marketing companies wone aposifo ekosia ye se de obesuesu adwene na wo manfo a wodi wani se prefa akrofo abromfo se de be ya manfo benya fa anwo de agu onkam de adu omudwuma e wo mamha no empempi ebra wo pon no ya na asefem ni nyina ne se wo suro se sika wo mo aton anwoma no akrofo abromfo baba baje anumu ena dwemtreni ema oil marketing companies yi kwaku agimadu a eda na di se kokoba se bambonum eyire paade a ene koda na ne mrante no a wogina pomp ne ho ebubu franwo ede ma amanfo ede di omudwuma no omu betumi aya dwuma no sede be ya ebema ona wo beto franwo no obenya bi ato no de edi odwuma wa abra woni aposifo ekodi nhyiemu no sei ena kwaku agimadu a eda na di.
Unfortunately, our clock is a little bit different. That we have some 12 hours to work. Depending on this, because of the armed robbery, the fear of that, we are not able to operate 24 hours. Ideally, time was when I was a schoolboy. We used to have 24 hours filling station service. Now it's scattered. Some of the stations 5 p.m. we are closed, and sometimes 6 p.m. In some places it's 9. In others, 10. So we stagger around, and sometimes it's at the mercy of our customers. And some people even need fuel to send people to hospital. They can't even get fuel because we have closed. We fear for our lives. And we are happy. And right now, as we speak, IGP, we have about 4,000 outlets in this country. Somebody may say we are a lot, but we are not. The population has not stopped growing. And we also have to make sure that we serve every nook and cranny, anybody who needs fuel. So we really welcome, as we grow, we really welcome that. I heard what you said about the fact that past is the past. We have a renewed strategy that we have to have as we go forward. And we're happy to work with you and your men to be able to ensure that there's a safety and security at our outlets so that we can contribute meaningfully to the economic fortunes of the country.
Wabra Dwemtani Emma Oil Marketing Companies no anusi yepe kwakwaji madua ena odibonyam for Dr. Dampare enso ehye ni mema no aye giredi se pampo no obayiri mu pampe edi amawo mu.
We are aware that in the past the environment used to experience a lot of change. Working in concert with my colleagues and commanders across the country and police officers at every corner of the country, including the initiative that we came up where police officers were virtually on daily basis throughout the day visiting all your stations across the country, engaging your officers as they work. We've been able to stem the tide to an appreciable extent, but we also think that there are a lot more to be done, because in the era or in the environment of security, it's like the air that you breathe. When you stop breathing you die. So in the same way, in security, we don't rely on our past glories, because we welcome you. Feel free and be blunt with us, because we want to learn. We want to become better. Because like you said, as we sit again, we have developed a consciousness of having a great sense of guilt and a great sense of shame.
Prosi Sahene Dr. Akufu Dampare Nese Mabwa Kanyina NSA Bambon Obayirim Etenyanti de Prosi Jumano Onya Chaswa and into Bere no yiri bambonum pampe.
And nessa what the one church mo ewa homeje bia wodo ene de bia wodo ye no ewo my Ghana mu hase no meche hotels ne restaurants na ene dodo na obekọ no na India fo aduane Nigeria fo aduane eba ne ade na wonom de service avia hoho a eno enam so nti wodo wani kiremo ewo panyipa ya kane no ye so afo be de kire eda ye nkronkuma ene akase empuntuo eso bekro na wodo wani kiremo ewo twifu atemokwa abato mpeso ya so ye no fifi mantemu a wono ena na ye aban krache panyi ewo ho wono monyafo Abraham Juma Odum wono ena ede afutuo ekwa ma wono mu a womo eye mpanyimfo tuatua hotels any restaurant ano omai musa da Roma won hwe na ya kase yaduane ya yebeto ye wona ya nananom ene ye maame no buchia so ya yenchi na enam so ye dia hoden mapabe ye dia no ye ntonkwaso emfa saduane ni mom en service ahwo chese wokọ we India memo anase Nigeria memo a watche so mama mre no mama ne no mo ntoto na se ede pa so be kwa akofa Ghana aduane ede akosi ye India restaurant anase hotel se Ghana ni bia ba anase India wo honti no obi emedi no watche se basa na ebetimi aboa ama yankasa yetimi anya banku edi anya hoden yetimi anya bayre edi bode ene ade na yetimi aboa ama meyin so no yenya sika etimi de aboye ho ebra yenkoti opanyin nsem.
Yes, people your hotels here. The Ghana you do in an eyes out of Ghana, but Nigeria, almost Ghana, hotels in Maunia, the Ghana team. How about Diana Oko India for India, but India for one water, one abroad technology, no fire, no media. But they had a from movie and I my opportunity. And the BIA, sorry, sustainability. Now, when you promote the area, better than when you're sustainable food system. And you then I say, but you're sustainable. And it's a wow, promote the area. What? Now, once you put your promote the area. Make COVID in the green war. I only signals and I mean, they might say, no more money, no more money, because COVID by they are for their back. That's a would be we have an opportunity to better than you create a bag. Now you create a different amount. So, see, I'm in a team, Indian company, any CSR, they are practicing
Abusia penyi ya yetene kan kane penyi pa ya ono ya soafo abede akire nkonkuma memo ni mpuntuo ewo akese die mu ya no osaye aban krachi penyi edema adehia ya won motwifo atemokwa abato ampeso ya so fifi mantemo na ne nsem wese nyina ededi wa bra na 6th annual conference of Ghana Association of Agriculture Economists wanom edi wanom dwumedi enhyiamudie no ehyehyɛ so ne nyina eyekwan pa ya obefa so ama aduane atena mem hasenum dada ama enam so edi empuntuo aba ne titru ewo University of Cape Coast ehɔ na wanom ekoye adwumedi na wose ebasa na ebetimi aboa ama my Ghana yetimi enye sika na no desam echi ena kane panyipa ya no so eye twetwefo abede akire edema National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko ya wano so esa etua ekuo yi mu bi Dr. Peter Boama Otukono wano so edekakra eto aso say
Conference is one of the critical things that the Ministry of Agriculture has on because ideas and knowledge are very huge, and this is where you can adopt and apply to build a sustainable food system. You know, because the food systems in Ghana are virtually non-existent. So what you say, food prices are on the high, and look, it is the most dangerous thing to have. In fact, it is the most dangerous leg of food security, because food security were 4 arms. The arm of availability no require me to produce a amanabusu. We are what accessibility no who just say the anime for not amount for it when you're because we produce amount for it to one, the Diana to produce 2, ya can also on the board, and 3, and the animals who are yet on the utilization, the nutrition is a problem. Am I do crew mine? Which are starting to see the crowd, you shift continental food. Yet the animal and channel.
Ebusiani Payatini ke Dr. Peter Boama Otukono na ne krokramuno ena obey for Irene Ejo. One of the Dean of the School of Agriculture here no Ewo University of Ghana mo Mame so esimiko man kabidie ye fan kansem ewo baby enti what they say it's
Sompa FM.
Mr. Bai to what dia ye kase. Munhye ehye yenya nkania yediye kweduma akwan papa yediye kweduma yehia dams wohu eno no individual households entmenye eno ya aban dia aban ya ni die na nkwanko musika omoye private investment onu e bia okofa na maye ni biba fine e bi kofa seed e bi kofa other inputs chemicals e bi eduma e bi organic e bi inorganic na painful musika e kan o mato maso mo amusika no pa
ebusiafo na chese nipa ya tenen kan panyipa ya wono oye dean wo agriculture mode wani echiremo University of Ghana mu a Mame Irene Ejo eni ni dean ebusia yesi asenom Adamu ase no ne de nyina esie yemfa seda kese pa ma ye Rasante yebo Benedict wono ne semufo panyin ye nua no sompafo ya wono mu Asante Mantem kropomo eya sompa 93.1 eni sunya ne sompa 98.9 en kranza sompa 90.7 yede aseda ema won wo mu aka ho bi na eneme mendai ensem no etime ebedan mo medi di ohene re Mame akua yeboa asia manano pemini menua bema
o say ya aboaje oforiso
yede aseda ne bi ema Kelvin wono na MC a wo chinchin fidie ne from adema yen etwa ye fa social media handles Facebook, Twitter and YouTube no so na yankasa yeba kwaku Jesse wono so eye na fam dia wode ye call TV ne so yadamo ase akramo ye sore adwaso.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new